This is a quick demo of how getOffersAI can help you practice, improve, and gain confidence in your real interviews. To begin, I've set up the getOffersAI tool ahead of the mock session. Right before starting, I opened the getOffersAI interface. This is the smart space where you can record mock questions, generate AI-powered answers, and most importantly, practice your responses in real time. What you see on the screen is the getOffersAI UI. It's fully interactive. You can drag, move, or hide it as needed, making it incredibly seamless for both solo practice or mock interviews with a coach. The AI listens, processes, and offers helpful guidance discreetly, even if you're sharing your screen. Now just keep an eye on the screen as we walk through a few examples. You'll see how the AI listens to the recorded questions and responds in real time.
How do you improve the performance of web application? How does you implement the security feature in your project? How can you optimize stored procedure and their functionality to improve response time and deliver faster output in a web application?
If your mock interviewer asks you to write some code and share your screen, don't worry. This is actually one of the best times to train under real interview conditions, and getOffersAI becomes your secret strength. While you're practicing in a live Zoom or Meet mock interview, your coach or peer won't see any AI overlay, just your clean code editor. Why? Because getOffersAI is designed to stay 100% hidden during screen sharing, keeping your environment distraction-free and realistic. Now, when you're ready to write your code, you just open up Notepad or any code editor you prefer. Then, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Spacebar. This instantly toggles the getOffersAI screen off, so your screen looks totally clean and focused, just like you're coding without any help. But in the background, the AI is still with you. This is honestly one of the best parts of using getOffersAI during your interviews to gain practice. It gives you real-time support while you practice without your interviewer or coach ever seeing it. That means you can focus purely on improving your timing, structure, and confidence without worrying about freezing, blanking out, or fumbling for words. Whether you're doing a solo mock or working with a mentor, getOffersAI helps you. Practice your answers out loud. Train your brain to think and respond under pressure. Build the timing and flow of a real interview. And most importantly, remove the fear of speaking up. It's like having a private coach whispering guidance in the background while you stay calm, focused, and interview ready. Because when you practice with the right tools, you don't just prepare for interviews, you train to win them.